cut on, or almost cut on fire.
Oh, right, look at that. That's a little burnt. That's a little crispy.
Oh, yeah, I see it now when you turn it over, even more so.
Yeah, look at that.
Picture of the wire?
You can take a picture of the wire or the whole truck. It doesn't matter.
Dang. Oh, I see it now. And when I took the picture, I can see it better.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's pretty scary.
So what happened? Your air conditioning quit working.
Yeah.
And what did we find?
That, it caught on, or almost caught on fire.
Oh,
right,
look at that. That's a little burnt. That's a little crispy.
Oh, yeah, I see it now when you turn it over, even more so.
Yeah, look at that. So it wasn't the blower motor resistor in this case, like it was over there, although that's a Ford, so it doesn't catch fire like Toyotas and GMs do here. But yeah, even take a look inside the blower motor connector here. You can see where it's black and kind of melted.
Yeah.
So you'll need a new blower motor, and you're going to need a new wire harness here, because this connector's all melted and burnt up.
Can I go
And that wiring's all corroded, so I don't know. We'll have to do some parts searching and see if we can find the parts for this. But yeah, that's weird, because usually what you find is a blower motor back in here. These terminals usually burn up, but that didn't happen on this one. It's really interesting. Just plug that back in there if I can find it. Why can't I find it? There it is. But yeah, we're gonna need a new blower motor and a new wire harness there, or at least the connector of it. You're lucky that didn't catch fire like John's GMC did. But in this case, the blower motor was continuing to work, and the wiring got so hot. That resistor right there got so hot it actually caught fire underneath the dash here. He said he could actually see the flames. So here are the new parts. We have a new blower motor here with a couple new connectors and the wire. I found it interesting that Toyota actually sells these two little wires and the connector itself, an empty connector, separately. It was still only about, I say only, 20 bucks, but and then with the blower motor, about 80 total. But there's the new parts. Got it soldered, and we're gonna put it back together. All right, we got our new blower motor, our new wiring and connector. How about you turn the key on there
Okay.
and see if the AC works now.
Let me finish chewing my Oreo cookie first.
Did you steal one of my Oreos?
The ones with the orange cream in them.
How dare you steal one of my Oreos? You know what? Just for that, no, you don't get any AC now. You don't get AC. I'm just kidding. Go ahead and try it.
All right, here we go.
Turn it on full blast.
Feel air.
I hear
look at
air.
this. Look at this. Ah! See? Can you see it blowing my hair?
Yes.
Oops, I have Oreo in my teeth. It feels good.
All right, that looks nice and good under there. The new wire and the blower motor, everything looks great. Looks nice and secured up in there. The AC is nice and cold.
You know what, Dan?
What?
Look.
What?
13 double O.
What?
13 double O.
Oh.
No wonder my maintenance required light came on.
Did I
today.
really guess it that accurately?
Yes. It came on
Wow, that's pretty awesome.
today. Yep.
Very cool. Well, I guess we'll do an oil change while we're here.
Okay.
Might as well. Just give you a good look at what caught fire here. As you can see, it wasn't the actual resistor, it's the electrical connectors that catch fire there. You can see all that melted.